ko waio, here tēnei no te waiohua, nā te kaununu ki te wairoa, waikato tainui, me Ngāti Hoa hoki, ko Sophia Olo whānga ahau, the mokopuna of Twini whānga, or Twini Roberts, and Tili whānga, and Makaurau Marae is my marae.
Kia ora, ko Gary Tiang taku ingoa. My mum is buried just down the road here. My marae is just up here. My uncles and aunties live all around here. And I've grown up in Auckland, and yeah, this is a very special place to me.
Kia ora, Jenny Lee Morgan tōku ingoa, uri tēnei no Waikato, te ahi waru tētahi waku hapu. My grandmother, Nana Kahu, is in this urupā here, alongside my dad and uncles and aunties. Gary is my first cousin, and it's lovely to be working with our whānau in our papakāinga of Ihumaatao.
So my role as part of the Digital Twin kaupapa as the Housing and Rangahau lead, I was the liaison or connector between Te Ahiwaru and the Digital Twin project team.
The process of creating the digital twin for us as a whānau has been remembering those things that happened, and it's easy to forget them. And part of collecting them and visualising them in a digital way that it's accessible, that's instant, keeps those memories alive, and in particular the memory of injustice.
The development of the digital twin is really important for Te Ahiwaru, mainly because it provides a space for our kōrero, our mātauranga, and an archive for those in the future to then access.
For those people using the digital twin, they'll come at it at different levels. So the understanding of it from a high level could be understood. As a digital twin, we can surface that information at different levels. So as you dive deeper, and that's quite powerful as well.
It's really important to have access to things, but to have them visually displayed. We might talk about an event happening in 1863 when our land was confiscated. To visually see that is a next level of impact that I think is really important in understanding what happened, how it happened, and what is the impact on our whānau. And I think that's really one of the most powerful things a digital twin can offer us as a hapu.
So that's probably my greatest vision for this tool, is for it to be used as a tool that our whānau are able to access it and use it for the benefit of or betterment of their ao, of their lives, for Te Ahiwaru to be able to lobby for the things that we need and deserve.
I think that it has a lot of potential. It all hinges around the data, and then after the data, then we present it in a manner that people can understand it. But that's the beauty about data, is that once we have it for one project, we have it for all projects, and so we just keep on adding and adding and adding to it. So I just see the relevance of this growing even more so in time.
I think the most important documents that we've found are those that are historic, that we thought we had lost, and just understanding the timeline of what has happened to our papakāinga, to our people, and the devastation that has happened there. I think it's, well, you know, the whakatauki to move forward, you have to understand the past. So I think that's been really important work that's come out of the digital twin.
The potential of the digital twin for Te Ahiwaru, for Ihumaatao, is enormous, because it enables us to have our own knowledge in our own hands.
This area is most important to us. The more we understand about it, the more I can action things, respond to things. Yeah, I don't feel we would get that level of support outside of it. We've got a vested interest in the area.
Yeah, it's been really critical for us to lead, to organised to do the work of the digital twin as a hapu and whānau. We've been really fortunate to have Next Space support that work, but they've really allowed us to play, to have a tutu, to think about where we want to go, and I've appreciated that from Next Space, and I think it is critical that we develop our own digital twin.
I think the greatest challenge for us is being able to continue to resource this tool, and then with that provides us the opportunity of being able to train other whānau to use the tool.
I've worked on many projects where there have been other consultants that come in with a te ao Pākehā view and try and fuse Western and te ahi warutanga together, and it just doesn't really work. But I think us as a hapu trying to lead this mahi is really important, not just for data sovereignty but our own mana motuhake, and I just believe it's important that it's our own tikanga, it's our own mātauranga that's being woven throughout the whole digital twin and our intellectual property.